What is the conditional tense? The conditional tense is a verb tense used to describe actions or events that have not happened yet, but may happen in the future. It is also used to describe actions or events that could have taken place in the past under different circumstances, but are no longer possible. Let's break that down. Well, first of all, there are three different conditional tenses: factual, predictive, and speculative. Factual. A factual statement is one whose outcome has no doubt. Let's try this with an if-then statement. If water boils, then it turns into steam. This example states a scientific fact. There is no doubt about the outcome when the proper conditions are provided. Therefore, the verb in our then statement is conjugated the same way as the verb in our if statement. If water boils, then it turns into steam. Both verbs are in the present tense. Predictive. The predictive tense is used when the outcome may or may not happen. It predicts the future or expresses future plans or possibilities. If I acquire the job, then I will move into my own apartment. This example states something that may happen, depending on whether the conditions are supplied. Therefore, we use a will statement for the then clause. Will is what's called a modal verb. Other modal verbs acceptable in this instance would be can, may, should, or might. We'll review the speculative tense in part 2 of this video series on the conditional tense. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.